watching Three Visions Art.
Hey y'all, my name's Shane, I'm 33 years old, and this is my strange addiction. It all started when I was about, maybe 10 years old. I had this weird fascination with, let me show you. Refrigerator magnets. It's just become such a bad habit. I don't know, I've lost a lot of friends and a lot of relationships ruined because I just see a fridge magnet and then I'm like, I gotta have it. Like this one. Great things never come from comfort zones. You know, look, there's plenty of room. I don't know what the big deal is with, having all these fridge magnets. To me, it's kind of just a normal thing. I'll show you some of the collector ones I got. These ones are really cool right here. They're little like magnetic metal things, and I just keep collecting them, and I probably got over 1 million fridge magnets. In fact, one of the first fridge magnet I ever got was like the alphabet ones, and it was just love at first sight. With fridge magnets I feel loved, and I feel like I can love something. So that's my strange.
With over 2 trillion refrigerator magnets, Shane has been forced to own over 50 storage units throughout the country. Not only has this addiction pushed away most of the people in his life, but it also has him in extreme hardship. We asked Shane if he could seek professional help for his addiction, would he? And he told us that he does not consider it an addiction and has no plans on quitting collecting the refrigerator magnets. Help Shane with a small donation fee of $3 to receive your 3 Vision Arts refrigerator magnet and help him get the help he needs. Thank you so much for watching. This is 3 Vision Arts News.